All right, guys, today we are going to be installing the LevelmatePro Plus. I'm excited because when I camp, I have to level the trailer by myself. So this will be awesome. I'm also using a new point of view camera, so I don't know like if I'm going to be all loud and sound ridiculous. So bear with me. There's my air conditioner. All right, first thing you want to do, which I've already done, is level your trailer side to side and front to back. It's got to be like really level before you install this. So I haven't messed with it yet. I did read the manual online because I'm crazy and like to know what I'm getting into. You know, the app walks you through it, but I wanted to know. All right, so in the box, it tells you to download the app, which I already did. You have a power cord. That's why I went with the LevelmatePro Plus. These right here, when you buy Wise cameras, security cameras online, comes with these really long USBs, so I'm probably going to use this to power this thing. I like the idea of powering it, not having to worry about a battery. So in here we have some mounting screws. We have a battery, which is really nice because I don't have any 2450s, so if I decide to power it with battery, I have that. That's cool. Some temporary glue things and the unit. So first thing we want to do is put the battery in. All right, so let's take the cover off. There's dog hair all over it. And that's the other reason I wanted a power one. I don't want to have to, you know, if the battery's dead and I'm somewhere and now I gotta take this cover off. No thanks. But I'm gonna put the battery in until it's permanently installed. All right, so battery, open this, and they said plus side up. Like so. It's a little stiff. There we go, make sure it's level. Let's just make sure it beeps. All right. So now we know it's on, it beeps twice. All right, so I think now I will open the app. Okay, it's asking about location. I always do, oh, maybe I should turn it on. A stiff little button. Okay, so it should find it. Do you want to connect to LevelmatePro? Yes. You probably can't see this because of the glare, sorry. All right, so now I got to register. Let me do that and I'll be right back. All right, that wasn't too bad. Registration successful. Continue setup wizard. Okay. Travel trailer's already selected. Next. Check your signal strength. Okay, so I don't have my tow vehicle over here. Let's see though. Kevin has his. So let's just like walk away a little bit. I mean, I'm not in a truck, but let's see. Checking signal strength. Okay. Signals. Okay, so it's great. If it was low, I'd worry about it, but whatever. So next. Select your measurements. Inches, Fahrenheit, not Celsius. Driving side of the road is right. Vehicle width. Okay, so they want you to measure, I don't know if you can even see this here, outside of each tire. So let me go ahead and do that. All right, my tape measure won't stay because apparently it hates me when I let go, it moves. But as you can see, 96, we are really close, so we'll call that good. All right, so 96 is already in there. Width, measure from the center of the front jack to the center of the rear wheel. Okay, let's do that. All right, center of the rear wheel. To the front jack is about here. So I'm gonna call that 218. And it doesn't have to be real precise. So, all right, now it wants to know where the label is going to face. So look at this mess. my plan is, see if you guys can see this. Here's the dogs. Is to probably mount it either here. All right, next step is it wants to know which way the label is going to face. I'm thinking of mounting it right here by the door. So if that's the case, if I mount it somewhere around there, label will face driver's side. Idle time, 1 hour, that's fine. I don't want it to run continuously. Wake on motion, reverse front view, 0.25 is an increment. Let's see. Okay, so this is kind of cool. Like if you have slide outs, if your RV has slide outs and you would like to set the LevelmatePro to compensate for slide lean, then extend all your slide outs at this time, which I have. Level your RV doing traditional method, bubble leveling, blah, blah, blah. I did. And then it says, once level, retract all your slide outs. This will put your RV at the slightly off level position you'll want to return when leveling to a LevelmatePro at a campsite. Set your outside, step outside your RV so you aren't creating motion. Okay. It says tap to set level. Oh, right. Never mind. I'm an idiot. So I've leveled it perfectly with the slide out. So now I should bring my slide in. And it won't be fully level, but it'll be level once the slide is out. So that's a good idea. All right, be right back. Let me mount this little thing with the glue tabs. All right, so these are the little temporary glue things. So I will put these on. How do you open this? Oh, just kidding. All right. Make sure they're sticky. Peel this off. Nope, takes it with it. That's cool. Oh, this one didn't. All right. There we go. Okay. So now I'll put it approximately where I want it. I'm thinking somewhere that I can reach it inside the door. So probably like here. All right, that looks good. All right, guys, I literally turned around to like put the slide in and this thing fell off. So the little glue things don't like the textured wall. So we'll just leave it right there. I'm going to put the slide in and then I will hit set level. All right, slide is in. There's a huge mess in there because I'm changing my mattress topper. Anyway, so let's hit level. Level set successfully. Okay, what's next? Congratulations. Show app tutorial. Sure, I don't know. Oh, okay, so that's cool. So it's telling you Levelmate temperature. You can see the current temperature of the LevelmatePro. Oh, what does it get hot or something? Or is this the outside temp? I don't know, whatever. This is cool, the hitch position set. I don't have my tow vehicle here, but I'll do that next time so you don't have to guess. That's wicked cool. So we'll do that later. Battery level, view the battery level. Oh, okay. Change any of the settings configured during Wizard. If you need help. Vehicle pitch. This section displays the level of your vehicle. Oh, okay. Hitch position, yeah. Vehicle roll. Top view. Hitch position, that's cool. Ready to begin. Okay, finish. All right, so it's saying 0, but I set it with the slide out. So let's put the slide back out and see if it stays at 0. You still can't see this. I'm sorry, guys. All right, slides back out. So as you can see, it's zeroed out. And then I did a bubble level check just to make sure. Let me show you inside as well. Let me actually take this off. All right. Excuse my dirty mat. I'm dropping stuff. All right. That's about as good as I can get it. This side could come up, or the driver's side could come up a little bit. So I might actually tweak that and then hit the set level in the app again. So it really matters, I'd say, that your like starting level point is like ridiculously level, because that's all it's going to go off. So I might try to mess with that again. All right, here we go. That's much better. foggy. Okay. So yeah, make sure that your starting level is really good. And you can actually, like, you go to settings and you can, where is it? Set level again. So if you mess up, like I think I kind of messed up, whatever. But now I know it's like perfectly level, front to back, side to side, with the slide out. And just remember, if you do it this way, with the slide in, it's not going to be 100% level, according to the app. So you have to compensate for that, or just remember that. But yeah, I'm happy with it. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, here's a tip. Now that it's installed, I just checked my level again and it was off. And I even leveled this. Where's my level? I used my level to make sure that was level. And it's still, the reading changed. So once you get your trailer level, I'd still do it the way I did it, but once you mount it, just check it again and you can reset your level.